Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies, Aries. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Aries, I have a very good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. You can contact her. I'll be sharing her link in the description below. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Master of Moons, Six of Suns in reverse, Three of Moons in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship. So today you feel that something is not happening as you expected. You may see some delays or suspensions in work. A lot of work maybe, or you need to do things again and again to make it right or make it go in the right way. So some kind of inadequate performance from people who are working with you, that may be the reason things are going in a difficult way today. And you are a person really kind hearted, a loving, caring person, and you are someone really talented. You serve as an inspiration to the people whom you work with. People appreciate your skills and talents and they are wonderstruck by your qualities, by the way you do your work or go about your work. And people find you a kind, compassionate and a friendly person, Aries. That may be the reason they come to you for guidance, some kind of support or some kind of ideas maybe. But today you need to be quite careful with people whom you work with, or it may be your energy in this relationship. Maybe this person you love, maybe they may have some hidden agenda, something they are not telling you. Maybe they are quite envious of you for some reason, or maybe they are going through a lot. They are feeling really miserable for some reason. Maybe they have their own problems. Maybe they have some addictions or some illness, something that is making them miserable, and they are trying to change themselves. They are trying to change their circumstance, but it is really difficult for them to change. And they are causing a lot of problems for you, trying to create problems for you because they are not happy. And that may be the reason for troubles in this relationship. Though you want to help them, though you are a friendly person trying to help them, maybe this person is quite adamant about certain things, stubborn about certain things. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. we have Sun in reverse. Maybe in this connection, in this love, this person may, what to say, they are quite unhappy, or they are feeling lonely or isolated because of these addictions, or maybe for some of you they are very much jealous of you, maybe jealous of your qualities. You are a friendly person, people appreciate you, and this may cause a lot of envy or jealousy in them because they are not like that. And that also may be the reason for this unhappiness and troubles in this relationship. So there may be certain difficulties, but only time will tell whether this relationship will turn to something positive or not in your circumstances. So for your career situation, Aries, we have picked one card. We will see what it is. It's Star in reverse. So in your work circumstances, maybe you are quite stubborn, holding on to certain thing or certain ideas. You are not being really flexible. But if you are making some important decisions today regarding your work, you need to be really careful, because if you make a wrong choice, it is going to land you in an irreversible circumstance. So you must be really careful today, Aries, if you are making important decisions in your work. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card for those who chose this card. It says Orphaned. So in your circumstances today, in your relationship, you are in a situation where you feel that you are unable to fit in. You don't have that sense of belonging in this relationship. Some kind of uncertainty is there today in this connection. And the reasons may be because we are all unique beings and we are all evolving spiritually and emotionally. So we are committed to our own growth, and when we long for people to support us in this difficult path, we may be disappointed or even hurt by the people who are with us, because the way they are, maybe their actions or their words, they may not understand what we are going through, because each and every one of us are in different stages of personal growth. Maybe this person is at another stage and we are at another stage, and we are in this relationship, maybe we are in a new connection where we do not share the same visions, share our values and beliefs, and each of us may have different values and beliefs. That may be the reason we do not feel so close with this person. That sense of belonging may not be there. So you need to accept things as it is today, whatever is happening, and you can be you can rest assured that spirit or that higher power or God, whatever you call it, will steer you in the direction of people who will appreciate you for whatever you are without any artifice, without any agenda. So you don't have to compromise anything to be in this relationship just for that sense of belonging, because it won't be worth the price. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we will see what it is. Vasila the Brave. And with this card, for those who chose this card, you are going through a difficult circumstance, but you need not worry. You are going to come out of this situation much wiser, much stronger than before, and you will pass any test that you have been put through today. And maybe in your life you have someone close to you. It may be a family member, it may be your mother or a sibling, a woman may be for some of you. And this person is your strength, this person is your guiding light. And maybe for some of you, you have a very strong parent, you have that strong motherly love, you have experienced that in your life, and this love and knowledge is guiding you each and every day. And maybe in your heart of hearts, when you are making some important choices, you may hear a very calm voice telling you what you need to do. That is your intuition, you must listen to it. So you have a very a sensitive spirit, something telling you what to do, and it may be a wisdom that has been passed on from your parents or from your grandmother, someone who was very close to you. And in any situation, whatever difficulties you are seeing, if you listen to this voice, you are going to make the right decision, the right choice today. And you need to understand that there may be a time of separation from family members or friends, but you need to do your best. You need to try and do whatever needs to be done. Do not lose heart in this circumstance. And from this darkness, you are going to move towards a greatest light in your life, and you are going to face all your fears with courage and knowledge and wisdom. And there is a time of a new beginning coming in your life. So circumstances are definitely changing. All you need to do is face your situation with strength and determination, courage, and listen to your intuition that is going to guide you all the way through. So that is the energy here with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.